We're back with breaking updates coming in. The former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has made a big claim. He says the current Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, is being framed in a fake case and he predicts her arrest. So Arvind Kejriwal making a big claim. He claims that Atishi could be arrested. She could be framed in a false case. In fact, he has also taken to social media X with that message. My colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast. Amita, what has Arvind Kejriwal said?
Well, a sensational claim that has been made by the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal here, Pratibha, and this is what he has to say, not revealing much. However, he makes a big claim saying that Mahila Samman Yojana और संजीवनी योजना से ये लोग बुरी तरह से बौखला गए हैं. अगले कुछ दिनों में फर्जी केस बनाकर अतीशी जी को गिरफ्तार करने का इन्होंने प्लान बनाया है. उससे पहले आपके सीनियर नेताओं पर रेड की जाएगी. आज दोपहर 12 बजे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करूंगा. So he is also saying that a possible arrest of the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is now being planned. This is a sensational claim. However, Arvind Kejriwal says that he will reveal all in a press briefing that he holds at noon.
Okay, all right. Tejshri is also joining us on the broadcast. Tejshri, this noon, we are expecting a press conference by Arvind Kejriwal and the other Aam Aadmi Party leaders. What is the case that he is speaking about? He says Atishi will be arrested next.
Well, absolutely. This press conference will be very important press conference because remember that BJP has been alleging several, several allegations, leveling up several allegations regarding Mahila Samman Yojana and Sanjeevani Yojana. And this press conference particularly will be regarding that only. Also remember that BJP has been saying that there has been a clarification from the side of WCT department that there is no such a scheme from the side of Delhi government, and Delhi government is just fooling the people of Delhi. So yes, this particular press conference is regarding that only. It seems like Arvind Kejriwal will be coming out and give a clarification, and in fact will also be refuting all the allegations that have been leveled up by the BJP on Aam Aadmi Party. However, this is a sensational claim being made by Kejriwal that in the next few days the Chief Minister of Delhi will be arrested, and in fact this is a plan to arrest Atishi is what Arvind Kejriwal has said. So this particular press conference of Kejriwal, which is said to be held at 12 today afternoon, that is certainly going to be very much important.
Okay, all right. Well, Tejshri, Arvind Kejriwal has been going on a door-to-door campaign, and this big claim, the sensational claim that he has made is coming ahead of the assembly elections expected in just a few months in Delhi.
Well, yes, absolutely, and that is why, in fact, you also remember that there is also an advertisement that's published in the newspaper, which is from the side of Health and Family Welfare Department, and in fact, in this particular advertisement, they have also highlighted that there is no such scheme of a Delhi government on paper, and in fact, if there is such scheme like Mahila Samman Yojana or Sanjeevani Yojana, then there needs to be a portal on which online registration needs to be done. But as of now, there has been no such portal, because this is an announcement and not just this, and not the scheme. Also remember that BJP also held a press conference yesterday in which they in fact mentioned about all these announcements and the schemes that were announced by Aam Aadmi Party. However, Sanjay Singh, the senior leader of Aam Aadmi Party, clarified that it is just the announcement, and in fact all these schemes will be implemented once they come to the power, and also they will be including all these announcements as schemes in their manifesto as well.
Okay, all right. So Mahila Samman Yojana and the Sanjeevani Yojana that was brought in by Arvind Kejriwal, he claims that a result of that would be several raids that would be taking place and the Chief Minister's arrest in the coming days. We're on standby for the press briefing that's expected at 12. With that, let's shift our attention now to details coming in on the onset of winter. Now, snowfall has